In this video I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your Epson WorkForce 7310 printer. So we can do the replacement or repair in this section. You can unclog the printhead and you can unclog the nozzles. First step is to unlock the printhead. Switch on the printer and give a print command. For example, I'm just going to print something from this printer that will unlock the printhead. Once you give a print command, just unplug the power cable. So go to the display panel, go to the maintenance, print quality adjustment, and click on the start. As soon as the printhead moves, unplug it. Now we can close the paper output tray. Open this section. We can see our printhead is here and it is unlocked. Just remove this paper because it will give a printer a paper jam later on. So once we remove it, now we have to remove the ink cartridges. So match this arrow, open it, take the ink cartridges out of this printer. There are 4 ink cartridges and their number is 812. Here we have to take the printhead out. There is one screw here, so we have to take it off. Next is to remove this plate. It has a marking on the top, and to remove it, first close this, move it to one side. Now there is a place here, so you can just lift it up from this side. Now move it again, match here and open it. Now you can lift it because it's unlocked from one side. Take it out. So that's a chip connecting this area, so you can leave it on one side. Now there is another plate to take off. So if you press on the side, it will unlock from here, and then press this side. Now it has came off. You can see there are 2 more screws here, so we have to remove this. Next step is to take the print head out. This plate has a printout. These are the nozzles. Now lift it. You can lift it using these electrical wires from both sides. Lift it slowly. It may unplug it, so you don't have to worry because we will just place it back here. Try to lift it with the screwdriver. So once you lift it a little bit, we can take it out. So we have to clean the printhead. That's the bottom plate. To clean the printhead, we have to use the tissue paper. So you can just wipe it from here like this. So you can see it has started to unclog it. So there may be some dry ink on the top. So once you clean it from top and the side, next step is to use the wet tissue. So spray some water on a tissue paper On the print head we have to just clean. So this will unclog the print head. So you just have to keep cleaning it until you see all the colors showing up on the wet tissue paper. Gently rub it. You will see the colors have started to show up. Now clean it with the dry tissue paper. We can see the result here. Now in case your print head is damaged, you can just replace it or you can repair it. Once you do everything, now we have to place it back. First we will plug in the electrical wires. The blue side should be facing up and then you insert it here. So it's like this. Same to the other side. Now twist it back so it will automatically come into its position. Now place it back here. Press it down at the back side. Now it has settled in its position. Sometimes if the nozzles are clogged, you can just unclog that as well. Mostly it's the print head that is clogged. Nozzles are mostly working. They only stop working if there is no ink in the ink cartridge. Once we place this here, next is to put those screws. So two goes at the back and one goes in the front. So that is the second. That's the last one. Now place this plate. So once your plate is fixed in the position, now we have to place this cover. So it goes like this. Push those wires at the back and that plate must stay there. Let's start with the yellow. So place it horizontally and then press it down. It will lock. Very easy. Now close it. So we just cleaned the print head. Close this section. Plug in the power cable. You may get a message like the print head may require a maintenance. So you can just dismiss right now. Now go to the maintenance section. Scroll down and click on the print head cleaning. So we have to do print head cleaning so that the ink starts to flow through the print head and we can start using the printer. So it will take around 2 minutes. Print head cleaning is done. Now click on the check. So it's going to print a sheet regarding the nozzle check. So this will give us a clear idea if our printer has started to work normal, if print head is printing, if the ink is flowing through. So let's check the print result. So we can see black and the color ink has started to appear and it is working normal. There are some missing segments, and to improve the print quality we can go to the display panel. If you have the missing segments, select the X. It will do the printhead cleaning again. If you go to the O without any missing segments, then it will just finish the process. Now go to the main screen. Let's do a print out, so that will give an idea if our printer is definitely printing normal or not. You can print anything to check if your printer is working or not, because after manual printhead it definitely needs some auto printhead cleaning. So it is working and it is printing, so everything looks normal. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning of this printer. Thanks for watching.